14-year-old girl gone missing from Rocky Settlement in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for 14-year-old Christina Booth of Rocky Settlement, Clarendon, who has been missing since Tuesday, May the 20th. She is of brown complexion, slim built, and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Reports from the Lionel Town Police are that at around 6 p.m., Christina was last seen at home wearing a pink shirt and a pair of yellow shorts. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Christina Booth is being asked to contact the Lionel Town Police at 876-986-3233, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.